What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or night when you're watching this. Thank you so much for checking the video out. If you're new here, my name is Amy, and yeah, I'm here for all things beauty. I hope you guys will enjoy the video. Make sure to stick around and subscribe before you leave. That's my spiel. So let's go ahead and get into it. I do have two IPSY GLAM bag pluses. Now this one we have already unboxed on my channel. I did a double unboxing with the regular glam bag and the plus, but I also do purchase the plus mainly so that I can get that IPSY X every 3 months. So we're gonna see what we got in this one, and we're gonna see which is better, the gifted PR bag or the purchased bag. So without further ado, let's get into it. If you want to see what I got in the gifted bag in a little bit more depth, make sure to go ahead and check out the other video. You can watch that one first if you want, but that will give you a little bit more detail on the products. So I'm just going to show you what I got in this bag and give you a little recap. So first thing up, Il Makiage. This is the Color Boss Squad Multi-Dimensional Eye Color Quad. This is the shade The Real Deal. I love the packaging. I mean, it feels very like heavy, luxurious packaging. I love Il Makiage. Like what I've tried so far, I'm in love with. So this is a very neutral palette. You got a couple mattes and a couple of shimmers, and I think this would be great for most people. Like a lot of people like wearing more neutral shades of eyeshadow most of the time, and I am partial to colors like this, especially when I want to wear a red lip or something very bold on the lips and maybe you want to tone it down on the eyes. So even though you can tell I love a lot of color in my eyes, you guys know it, I feel like this is a great addition to my collection. It'd be great for travel, and I'm very excited to see the quality of the shadows. Somebody was so mad in the last video that I didn't swatch this. I actually thought that I had, but you know, nobody's perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch it. Here are the shades. Ooh, I'm gonna give this one a little bit more. It's like a very creamy matte. Like it's almost, I almost don't want to call it matte because they're so very creamy, but you can see they are richly pigmented. It reminds me of some Natasha Denona shadows that I have, where the mattes are extremely creamy. This is beautiful. So here are the 4 shades of the palette. And again, that's called The Real Deal 990. And the colors are Lush Life, Keep Rolling, Own It, and No Bullshit. Ooh. Next up, I received the Murad Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. This is a product that I have used, and I think I said in my other video, mine has like a little tiny bit left, and it's definitely changed colors. Because I don't use it often, I have it for a very long time, so it usually goes bad before it's empty. And I like that this one doesn't have the clear plastic, it's more concealed. So yeah, you can't see it, but it should protect it from light and keep it from changing color as quickly. So that's what the little tube looks like. I have been having a little bit more frequent breakouts here and there, so this will definitely come in handy. It's a great product. It really helps to like soothe the breakout and calm it and help with the pain of it too, and it'll help the pimple go away quicker too. I also got the Glow on the Go. This is from Galactic, and the shade is called Jet Setter. Did I say Girl on the Glow? Glow on the Go. Oh my god, like malfunctioning up here. Glow on the Go from Galactic, and the shade is Jet Setter. So this is just like a little highlighting stick. It's pretty. It's not like extreme highlight, so if you like something a little bit more natural, I feel like this is going to be more up your alley. It's kind of soft for me. Like I have on one of the Jaclyn Cosmetics highlights today. My first time ever trying them. They are beautiful. So this is like a champagne kind of a color. As you can see, it's just kind of, in certain angles it kind of wants to blend in with my skin, but you can see it's a little bit darker. So it's not ideal for me. The pigment's a little bit darker than my complexion, even though it has the shine. So from certain lights this could be unflattering, but I think when I self-tan this will be really pretty, and it might be great to kind of do like a little brow highlight, which I'm done with my makeup. Like I've already taken pictures, so do a little, it's cute. It would be great for on the go if you want to like retouch your highlighter, you know, do a little inner corner highlight, or you know, if you're just like have no makeup on and you just want to throw on a little bit of highlight here and there, some mascara, this would be great to throw in your bag. The next one is the Nabla Shine Theory Lip Gloss. It's a really pretty packaging, and it's like this light golden champagne. We can put a little bit of this on too. I had some clear gloss over liquid lip. It doesn't add a lot of color, but it definitely has a little sparkle and some shine. It's really pretty and it smells really yummy too, so I'm excited for that. And then our big money item is the 111 Skin Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster. I'm actually using this right now. I have another one that I'm pretty sure I got in another subscription box, but it is a hyaluronic acid serum. And of course, if you're not familiar, hyaluronic acid will help your skin draw in and retain water-based hydration into your skin. So it'll literally pull hydration in and help the cells of your skin actually stay plumped up with more moisture, which is really cool. So a great way to hydrate the skin, make sure your skin is not looking or feeling dehydrated. And hyaluronic acid, one of those like staple ingredients in my skincare, like retinol at night, vitamin C during the day, and I use hyaluronic acid both morning and night with my other ingredients. So definitely happy to have this. So hyaluronic acid serum, lip gloss, a little stick highlighter, my spot treatment, love that, and a beautiful little eyeshadow quad. If you've already seen my other video, then this is the exciting part. So let's see what we got in my purchase bag. I do remember when I did my choice, I was not excited. I think it's like a little bit better than what I first, like my first reaction was like, it's not that bad, but yeah, we'll take a look. So this is the Real Her Love What You Do brush. I actually think I have this brush and I used this exact one today, or one very similar from Real Her. This is actually a nice brush. It's kind of like a pointed powder brush, which I'm assuming is what it is, but this is great for finishing powder, setting powder. You could even bronze with this. Like, it's a really nice size to bronze the forehead, you know, do that. You might even could do blush with this if you use it kind of sparingly. So this is a very versatile face brush. I'm not mad at it. The bristles feel really nice, and I feel like their brushes feel really nicely made. So I'm excited to have this brush. I think I have it, so no, I don't need it, but I always make sure I'm using clean brushes. So it's nice to have backups of good brushes. This is the Super Hyaluronic 100 Amino Acid Cleanser. So it's a hyaluronic acid based cleanser and amino acid. It's from Sure Medic. Oh, it's from Neogen Lab. It's developed by Neogen. If you remember, I used to sell them in Sephora a lot because I love them, and you can still get them. Neogen, they have a big jar with these exfoliating pads that have like, it like comes apart so you can put your fingers in and you exfoliate. Those were like my jam, really affordable too. You guys know I love Korean beauty. So this is Korean skincare cleanser. It's got amino acids and hyaluronic, and it says it removes all impurities while maintaining skin balance as a hypoallergenic cleanser. This isn't the most like groundbreaking, earth-shattering type of product, but it's probably going to be a really good basic cleanser, and I go through cleansers pretty fast, so I am excited to have this, and I'm definitely going to be using it. Next up, this is the is it Up Circle? Up Circle, it must be. Face scrub made with repurposed coffee grounds. Oh, and it says it's citrus blend. This a couple of these boxes in here took a beating, but they're all like, the products are all fine. I think the post office might be getting irritated with the amount of packages. Anyway, so this is a face scrub. I mean, that's pretty basic, and it's got coffee in it. Here's what it looks like. This is a new brand to me. I haven't used it before. I've never used a coffee scrub for my face. I've used it for my body, and every one that I've had is like, it's very nice for the body. I don't know about for the face. So I'm gonna take a look and like, oh, it's got one of those caps that you have to turn around and stab it. I just wanna like feel a bit of it. That's a little coarse for my like personal preference, but I think as long as my skin is nice and damp, it won't be a problem. And I mean, if you get a scrub like this and you find that you don't want to use it on your face for whatever reason, use it on the body. I mean, you can just use it and not let it go to waste. So yeah. Anytime I get a scrub, if it's too rough for my face, I will use it on neck, décolleté. If it's still too rough for that, I'll just use it on the rest of my body. So it will go to good use. It smells nice, and I'm definitely gonna first try it on my face and see how it does. So next up, we got the Murad Clarifying Oil-Free Water Gel. So this is another product from their more acne treatment line. This line, when I worked at Sephora, was the best seller, not only for our store, but just generally. Unfortunately, this doesn't really work for me as well. I find that for my moisturizer, I need something a little bit creamier just to hydrate the way that I want it to. It's a good product. It's just a little bit more suited for normal to oily skin or even breakout prone skin. So it's a good product, just a little bit off for me personally. And then we have one more product. This is from Sweet Chef, the Turmeric Vitamin C Booster Eye Cream. I do enjoy some products from Sweet Chef. I haven't tried their eye cream, so we're gonna see. It's pretty basic. Turmeric is an antioxidant. Vitamin C, of course, we all know. So Brighten, Lighten, Tighten, that's what you can think of. Basically, it'll, you know, help brighten your complexion up, lighten dark spots, and it'll help your skin produce collagen. So, you know, it can lead to firming of the skin eventually. Does it smell like much? That's kind of what I would expect, but I'm definitely excited for this too. I mean, it's a good eye cream. Eye creams are something I don't have a ton of, so I do get excited to get them. It feels nice. It's like a in between like a cream and a gel. It's got a nice consistency. It feels hydrating and it feels like it would be great under concealer too. So I'm excited for that. This bag was obviously a little bit more skincare heavy, getting moisturizer, cleanser, face scrub, and an eye cream. I basically have like an entire skincare routine in this bag. If you didn't have a skincare routine, you could literally cleanse, exfoliate, moisturize, and use eye cream. That's kind of cool. I mean, I have all of those products, but if this were to land in somebody's hand who needed a skincare routine, that would be really cool. So in addition to all the skincare, we got my brush. So this one, I don't know. It's definitely not anywhere near as bad as like my first impression was like, ugh, it's boring, but I don't think it's that bad. I just feel like my other bag was a little bit more exciting. In this particular bag, I'm probably most excited for the cleanser and the eye cream, but in my gifted bag, I mean, I'm really excited for the eyeshadow palette. I think the gloss is beautiful. The spot treatment is, you know, something I use and love, and then a serum that I can use. So 4 of these items are like really, really happy to me, which I think 4 out of 5 for any subscription box is pretty darn good because it is a mixed bag of what you can get. Whereas in my purchase bag, there's really only a couple of things that I can say I'm truly excited for. Maybe say the brush too because it is nice, but I would say like very excited for 3 of the items in my purchase bag, but 4 of the items in my gifted bag. So let me know which one you think is better. Definitely if you like more makeup than skincare, you're probably gonna like the gifted bag, and if you like more skincare, you're gonna like the purchase. So I think that's pretty straightforward, but overall I'm happy. I'm not unhappy with either one of my bags, and I'm very fortunate that I get to compare and share that with you. I do also have my Boxy Luxe. I was trying to do that one today as well, but the day got away from me and I really need to take my makeup off and have dinner and all that. So I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, let me know if you made it to the end. Let me know what you think about my really dark lip. This lip I actually love, and I don't know if you can get it anymore. The Too Faced Melted Matte in the shade Evil Twin. It's like a dark plum maroon that is like so dark it can look black, and it's just one of those things, like if you ever wanted to try a super dark lip, it's just much more forgiving than a black lipstick. If you want something that's a little bit more warm, I feel like I can still look very fall, and then you can always add a little bit in the center if you want to kind of like ombre the lips, and it can kind of tone it down and not look so crazy. But I love it. I mean, I know not everybody's gonna like that, but I think it's really pretty, and it plays up the darkness and this like purpley plum that I have on my eyes. Just thought I'd throw that out there. But thank you guys again. Make sure to leave a thumbs up. If you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, please go follow me. I would really appreciate it. I have a goal that I don't know if it's possible, especially on Instagram, but I was hoping like maybe I could hit 10,000 on both apps by my birthday, which is 3 months away. I think that's probably a little bit far-fetched. Maybe TikTok, you never know, but that's kind of like my goal. So that would be nice. An early birthday present would be to follow me on those platforms. So thank you guys again, and I will see you really soon in my next one. Bye guys.